going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a driver like myself that love coffee or drink coffee on the road, well, this is the video for you to watch. Stay tuned. Okay, in this video I purchased this wonderful coffee maker from Target online for $79. It's the perfect option if you love coffee or don't feel like going to TruckStop all the time, getting a cup of coffee or waiting in line for a cup of coffee. This is the perfect option. So far I had it, I like it, I love it. You get the job done, you know, it's quick. This here, I don't know if you can see the water in there or not, but this water is about up to here so far. I usually keep it on a half tank, the water in there. And before the coffee comes out, it's like a heater or something in there that heats the water up for you. And what I'm gonna demonstrate exactly how this works. Like I said, you can find this at Target. Target have it. It's pretty simple to use. And if you got space in your truck to store it or put it away somewhere while you're driving down the highway, I think it's the perfect option. I can scoot it up some so I can coffee and stuff. So what I'm gonna demonstrate exactly how to use this. It's the old one. Put that in the trash. Okay. So these are all my goodies. This is the different coffee. You can put in your coffee maker. Sugar. You can find the sugar at Slips or Walmart, I believe. Different creamer. So let's see. I'm trying to hazelnut. The stick this hazelnut in here. Then you squeeze the top just like that. Now it's flashing. You got a small cup, medium cup, large cup. I usually just use the middle. Gonna push that. Now what it's gonna do, it's gonna heat the water up. The water needs to be warmed up. It's gonna heat the water up for you. It's coming out just like that. Already hot. Smells good too. Very simple to use. Like I said, it's like the perfect idea for truck drivers. For some coffee. So it says heating, that means the water's heating up hot. Power, power button right here. Now if you need to add water, this is the add water symbol right there. If you need to add water to your coffee. Now I think it's on like probably like halfway full. Now if I want to add some more coffee to it, I just do like that. Push it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna start blinking again. Now I can add some more coffee to it. There's plenty of water. So it's gonna fill it up enough. Plenty of water. When I'm driving down the highway, I usually put it under my table in my truck. Put it underneath there. Or put it in my closet. The closet too. I usually put it there to store it when I'm moving down the highway. Yeah. See, you don't fill it up. It's kind of almost too full. I'm putting the point a little bit out so I can put my sugar and cream and stuff in it. But yeah, but that's a perfect example though. How you operate it. Like I said, you can find it at Target. They have it for $79. It's perfect size, not too big, not too small, just right. Like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Stay blessed.